In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Fresha link to your Instagram bio, a step that can significantly enhance your business's online presence by making it easier for your Instagram followers to book appointments with you directly through Fresha. Whether you're a salon owner, a personal trainer, or run any service-based business, this quick guide is tailored just for you. First things first, navigate to the Fresha website specifically designed for businesses. You can easily find this by searching for Fresha for Business in your favorite search engine or by going directly to their website. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which should be pretty straightforward to find. Click on that to proceed. After you've clicked on login, make sure to select the For Business option. This will take you to the appropriate section of the site for business accounts. Now, here's where it gets even simpler, especially if you've used Google services before. There is an option to sign in using Google. This is a quick and secure way to log in without having to remember another password. Click that and then choose the Google account you wish to use for signing in. It's vital that this Google account is the one associated with your business for consistency and easier management. Once you're signed in, you're going to head over to your profile. This might be represented by a small image of your profile photo on the website. Clicking on this should open up a drop-down menu or take you directly to your profile page. Within your profile, you will see an option or a tab named Profile. It's here that you can manage various aspects of your personal and business information. Click on this to start customizing your profile further. Now onto the main event. Look for a section or a tab named Social Links. This is where you can add various social media links that can be publicly displayed, including your Instagram. Once you find it, you might see an Edit option. Click on this to proceed to adding your social media links. Upon clicking Edit, you'll be taken to a page where you can input or update your social media profiles. Here, specifically add your Instagram profile link, make sure it's correct. A simple typo can lead to a dead link and we don't want that. After you've input your Instagram link, don't forget the essential step of hitting save. Any changes made won't take effect unless you save them. It's a simple step, but crucial. Next, you'll need to access the Fresha Partner account page. This is slightly different from the pages we've navigated previously. This page gives you access to features and settings more aligned with managing your business's bookings and services. Once on the partner account page, look for an option that says View on Fresha. This will take you to how your business appears on Fresha to the public. It's useful for reviewing what your clients will see when they look up your services on Fresha. You've completed the necessary steps to add your Fresha link to your Instagram bio, but there's one last piece to the puzzle, updating your Instagram profile itself. Simply log into your Instagram, go to your profile, edit your bio, and paste the link you've been working with. This link is what your followers will use to access your Fresha booking page directly, making it easier for them to use your services. In closing, integrating your Fresha link into your Instagram bio not only streamlines the booking process for your clients, but also leverages your Instagram following to boost your business. Remember, the key to success in today's digital world lies in how seamlessly you integrate various platforms to work for your business. So, take advantage of these tools and watch your business grow. Thank you for taking the time to learn with us today. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your online presence. Until next time,